Looking to enjoy YouTube TV on your Firestick? Here's how it works and what you need to know. YouTube TV is a popular streaming service offering live TV, sports, news, and on-demand content. The good news is that it's compatible with Amazon Firestick. Simply download the YouTube TV app from the Amazon App Store or sideload it if needed. Once installed, log into your account or subscribe to start streaming. The Firestick's smooth interface ensures a seamless experience, but keep in mind that YouTube TV requires a subscription, starting at $64.99 per month. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable for uninterrupted streaming. While the setup is straightforward, some users report occasional app glitches, but restarting the Firestick usually fixes the issue. With YouTube TV on Firestick, you can cut the cord and enjoy your favorite channels from the comfort of your couch. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.